Hi, welcome to Health University, where we share with you some of the best tips and tricks for a healthy and happy life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your cough and sore throat naturally by drinking these delicious teas. Cough and sore throat are common symptoms of colds, flu, allergies, and other respiratory infections. They can be very annoying and uncomfortable, especially when they interfere with your sleep and daily activities. But don't worry, there are some natural remedies that can help you soothe your throat and calm your cough. One of the easiest and most convenient ways to do that is by drinking hot tea. Tea is not only hydrating, but also has many healing benefits, such as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and expectorant properties. So which types of teas should you try? Here are some of the best teas for a cough and sore throat, according to research and experts. Before we get started, can you do us a favor? Please make sure to watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. The first tea for cough and sore throat is honey tea. Honey is a natural sweetener that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including cough and sore throat. Honey can help coat your throat and reduce irritation, as well as fight off infection and inflammation. Studies have shown that honey is more effective than over-the-counter cough medications in relieving cough symptoms and improving sleep quality. To make honey tea, simply add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to a cup of boiled water. If possible, use raw organic honey for the best results. Honey tea is also great for boosting your energy and immunity, as honey contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Lemon juice adds a refreshing flavor and a dose of vitamin C, which can help your body fight off infections. The second tea for cough and sore throat is Licorice Root Tea. Licorice root is a herb that has been used in traditional medicine for various conditions, including cough, sore throat, infections, and digestive problems. Licorice root contains over 300 flavonoids and plant compounds that have potent antimicrobial and antiviral effects. Licorice root can also help loosen mucus and relax the muscles of the respiratory system that are spasming and coughing. However, pregnant people should avoid using licorice root, and consuming large quantities of licorice root might cause high blood pressure or drops in potassium levels. To make licorice root tea, you can either buy pre-made tea bags or add 1 tablespoon of chopped licorice root to a cup of water and boil for about 10 minutes. Strain before serving. Licorice root tea has a sweet and slightly bitter taste, which can help you satisfy your sweet tooth and curb your appetite. Licorice root tea can also help you with stress and anxiety, as it has a calming effect on your nervous system. The third tea for cough and sore throat is green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular and healthy beverages in the world. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenol that can help decrease inflammation and boost your immune system. Green tea can also help kill bacteria and viruses that may cause cough and sore throat. A study found that gargling green tea reduced the frequency of cough symptoms in patients who were post-heart surgery. To make green tea, you can either use tea bags or loose leaves. Steep in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Green tea has a mild and grassy flavor, which can help you refresh your palate and detoxify your body. Green tea can also help you with weight loss, as it can increase your metabolism and fat burning. The fourth tea for cough and sore throat is Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea is another soothing and relaxing tea that can help with cough and sore throat. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that can help fight off infection and inflammation in your throat. Chamomile tea can also help you sleep better, which is important for your recovery. A study found that chamomile tea improved sleep quality and reduced depression symptoms in elderly people. To make chamomile tea, you can use tea bags or dried flowers. Steep in hot water for about 5 minutes and enjoy. Chamomile tea has a floral and fruity flavor, which can help you unwind and relax your mind and body. Chamomile tea can also help you with skin problems, such as acne, eczema, and rashes, as it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects on your skin. The last tea for cough and sore throat is ginger tea. Ginger is a spicy and aromatic root that has many health benefits, especially for respiratory problems. Ginger can help clear your nasal and bronchial passages, as well as reduce coughing and throat pain. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral effects that can help you recover faster from your illness. To make ginger tea, you can either use fresh or dried ginger. Peel and chop about an inch of fresh ginger, or use a teaspoon of dried ginger. Add to a cup of water and boil for about 10 minutes. Strain and add honey or lemon if desired. Ginger tea has a warm and zesty flavor which can help you stimulate your senses and improve your circulation. Ginger tea can also help you with nausea, indigestion, and motion sickness, as it can settle your stomach and prevent vomiting. These are some of the best teas for a cough and sore throat that you can easily make at home. Drinking these teas can help you feel better and recover faster from your symptoms. However, if your cough and sore throat persists for more than a week, or if you have other serious symptoms such as fever, difficulty breathing, or chest pain, you should see a doctor as soon as possible. Remember, tea is not a substitute for medical treatment, but a complementary remedy that can support your health and wellness. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your favorite teas for a cough and sore throat, and if you have any other tips or questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.